We have Miss Saujanya with us, who is an entrepreneur, who is a social worker, working in child education as well as other social services. She has decided that she is going to join the vision of Dr. Nohira Sheikh in fighting for justice for humanity. And today she is here with us at the MEP Manifesto launching event. So, what is MEP according to you?
MEP is a Mahila Empowerment Party because see, Nohira, I like her vision. It's a more sensitive part when the name itself, when she's standing for women empowerment. So we know like how many seats are being reserved. None of the government have supported women, or none of the government have done any service in the service for women. So we come across every day, we see like a lot of rape cases, child abuse, women abuse. So her vision towards women is entirely different. She's taking to the other level. So henceforth I support Nohira because I know her from past Indiewood, from the business circle. I know her. So she's a woman. I've seen her, like her visions are true, and whatever her words, because I know her personally, so her words are very strong and she does keep her words. So that's how I'm supporting this party.
You mentioned some prominent issues in the females like rapes and other things. So how you think that she will help to eradicate these issues from the society, especially the rape? What is the party going to do for that?
Okay, for see, I was discussing her the same question when I met her in Hyderabad. So I was asking her, what can you do to women security and safety? Because I work for a lot of NGOs. I am into women security. I have visited a lot of brothel NGOs, which was which was run, and a lot of, because I am into counseling field. When I do counseling for a lot of women, so I come across like women are going to a lot of issues, depression and postpartum depressions might be. So when I asked her, like, these are the very sensitive issues and we are suffering in the society. So she said she's introducing IT help support for the women. So there is a booth where women can immediately call for a helpline. Though there are like a lot of women commission cell and a lot of things, but still we are failing to give a security to women. So she said like she is introducing some women helpline, which is like IT hub, like IT we can. There is an app where you can just start any emergency. So this is what inspired me to support now Dr. Nohira Sheikh.
Has she any plans to develop the self-defense skills in the women's?
Of course, she spoke about it.
Has she mentioned it in her manifesto?
No, I don't think so. But she has a lot of plans for women's security.
What about child education and all? Do you think that if education is fully spread in Karnataka, these issues can be like reduced?
See, I can talk when I tell you something. Education is the most powerful tool. So education can change a person. Education may not be like, even if a person is literate, the class of the person varies. So education is the most powerful tool. So henceforth, when the person is educated, the society will definitely change. So education is because being an edupreneur, I can tell you this: education is the most priority for anyone.
Last question to end with, I would like, what are you doing into education field and what are your achievements till now?
So I started an institution because I'll tell you, I went through I was abused. I was in a relationship, I was abused, I was harassed. So I took a bold step, walked out of the relationship. I started an institution called Abhyas, after school program. Now I'm going to the slums. We are starting empowering women. So we have started something called Empower Education, spread education through my institution. So we go to slums, our teachers go to slums. We teach after, so you heard about Sarva Shikshana Abhiyana. Similar to that, we are doing something. We go teach in the slums. So this is a part of the work I'm doing. So I'm into the social service. I go educate women about the self hygiene and standards about it.
It was nice meeting you, and Dr. Nohira Sheikh has already told that she'll make other social women of Karnataka to come with and join the platform to work for the people of Karnataka, to the people who live in slums. Miss Saujanya is also a part of that. She has joined this party and she thinks that she'll get more support and she'll get more resources to help the poor out of this party.
That's why I'm here.
Thank you.